From cybercrime to seatbelts, there are many steps Long Beach residents can take to keep themselves safe. Recently, community members came out to Recreation Park in the 3rd District to learn how.
Today we're hosting a Live Safely event, which is an event designed to educate the public on what they can do to protect themselves, their homes, and their property from theft. It's a really great workshop because there's only so much that the police department can do. We need to take ownership of our streets and our property and make sure that we do whatever we can to make ourselves not be vulnerable to criminals.
We can't do it alone. The community needs to help us out. A lot of the ways we catch criminals is we get a call from somebody in the neighborhood saying there's a guy out there or a gal that doesn't belong in our neighborhood. You know your neighborhoods best. You know them better than we do. So you call us, we go out there, we check it out, and many times it ends up in an arrest because they are doing something that they shouldn't be doing in that neighborhood.
Experts presented the latest facts on area crime trends, online safety, and home security. Community partners, including the Long Beach Police and Fire Departments and more, donated their time and services to the event. In addition to property and personal safety, the Long Beach Community Emergency Response Team, or CERT, was on hand for timely information about safety in the event of a major incident.
We live in California where there are major earthquakes, and you could be in your car and infrastructure is destroyed, and then where do you go, how do you do, and how do you operate? What we do is we train people to be self-sufficient from the moment a disaster happens until city services are restored, first responders can make it to them, and of course Red Cross and other organizations can come to help.
Taking personal responsibility for your safety was a key theme for the day. One of the biggest takeaways from this community event is that basic prevention can go a long way towards reducing residential crime.
Lock your car doors. Do not leave valuables in your front seat. Roll up your windows at home. If it's too hot and you need to have your windows open, buy some kind of locking mechanism so it can't open enough for a person to get through. Sliding glass doors, lighting at your house, cameras, environmental impacts like bushes in front of your house that blocks your house. Yeah, it's nice for privacy for yourself, but you also give bad guys privacy when they're behind those bushes. So things like that is what we're trying to get out to the community to help them help themselves from becoming a victim.
The benefits of this Live Safely Expo go beyond personal security. Good safety practices enhance our entire city.
When people feel safe, they're going to go out more. They're going to shop more locally. They're going to spend their money locally because they feel safe in that community. Businesses are going to invest in safe communities, in stable communities.
For more information on upcoming community events, visit longbeach.gov.